One of the reasons why your panel is falling flat, too many panels focus on what panelists want to say rather than what the audience wants to hear. I'm Kristin Arnold and I'm a professional panel moderator, and the fix is to flip the script and put the audience first. But how do you do that? Stick around or click below. So here's how to transform your panel from being panelist-centered to audience-centered. So here's the first thing, is start with audience input. Get ideas from the audience before the panel even starts. Pull them through social media or interview a few panelists and find out what they really care about that topic. You could encourage the panelists to frame their top takeaways based on what the audience needs to know versus what they want to share. Now, I encourage that panelists think about the GASP principle. So the G stands for that it gives new insight, that it's not something that's rehashed, repeated, and they can find on Google or YouTube. The A is for it awakens their curiosity. It makes them want to lean in and go, ooh, I want to hear more. You want to get your panelists to spill their secrets. The S is for surprising the audience. You know, a great panel shouldn't just inform, it should surprise and delight and make the audience think, oh my gosh, I did not know that, I did not expect that, that was awesome. And the P is for pop for energy, that it holds the audience attention. We've got a ton of ideas in my brand new panel design cards that will stimulate your audience to be part of the panel. My name's Kristin Arnold, and I really appreciate you being part of this journey with me about making all panel discussions lively and informative. If you've got some good ideas, put some comment below or maybe even subscribe to this channel. And if you want more ideas about how to moderate a panel, just go to howtomoderateapanel.com. You'll find a free video course where you'll learn even more ideas about panels. Thanks for watching.